So I think maybe David's going to be right here. Oh, I think Abby is going to be here too. So yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can just put your bag behind you. Okay. Or I'll put it over here if you want. Yeah. Sí, porque la pata de la silla está en la... ¿Y David? ¿A dónde se fue? Oh. Well, I think Abby's coming. Oh, Abby. Yeah. But she's probably running a little bit late. David. No hay problema. It's difficult. Si te olvidas, es difícil, ¿no? Porque es como que sientes que... Algo falta. Ajá, sí, estamos tan acostumbrados, ajá. Pero no el celular. No. Pero también creo que es bueno por un lado. Con que tu hijo esté en la casa y tú puedes estar tranquilo por ese lado, a veces es bueno no tener el celular porque uno se distrae a veces con esa cosa, ¿no? Uno como que hay un voz que le dice, mírame, ábreme, tócame. Ya. Ok. Oh, yeah. Ok, entonces chicos, bienvenidos a la clase de miércoles. Lo que sí les quiero pedir de favor es que intentemos llegar a la hora que es, a las 8, porque estamos empezando y a 15 minutos atrasado. Ya, perfecto. Okay. Okay. So first, Saimara, did you receive, let me see. No. Saimara, do you have this? Do you have From Stone Age to Mesopotamia? No? Okay, so please take that. This is what we're starting with. So guys, please take out is sakin, take out your homework. Remember, the homework was 5 questions. This was the homework, Saimara, these questions here. And we did the reading together on Monday. Okay. So, Ian, if you could, lead us in the checking of the homework. Thank you.
Okay. Is everybody on the same? Is everyone on the same page? Speaking questions for the Stone Age. I'm going to start with Guadalupe because we had somebody who didn't get the hand job. So Guadalupe, what was the Stone Age like?
The Stone Age was a time with white taught cities, writing or marching.
Okay, so without.
Without.
So take a look at what she wrote, Ian, and just help her with the pronunciation.
Yeah, yo lo escribí junto.
Yes.
The Stone Age was a time without very good cities, writing or machines. Okay, can you say the whole sentence?
Let her read it.
It's a good answer.
The Stone Age was a time without cities, writing, or machine.
Yes. Everything else was perfect. Stone Age.
A Stone Age.
Yes. Good.
Perfect. Lena, we're going to go with you for number 2. Who were the people of the Stone Age?
The people of Stone Age were the ones who made fire and hunted animals for food.
Perfect.
Can you just check that everything's kosher?
Who made fire and hunted animals for food? Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. David, number 3. What were the first tools like?
The first thoughts were the used simply
Simple.
of
Here, let me get up.
Mm-hmm.
from
The first tools were, okay, and you don't need the word they there, so that's used. Can you say used? Used? Yes, used. Oh, okay. So what you did here, it's what you wanted, what you meant is the first tools used were simple stone tools. So, can you repeat that real quick? The first tools used were simple stone tools. So put the word here, and you don't need the word they.
Eliminate they.
The first tools used were here, one more time. The first tools used were simple stone. Simple stone tools. Very good.
Okay, now David, only you. Please read again. Please read.
okay.
Yeah.
The first tools used were simple stone tools.
Very good.
Thank you, David.
Saylara, do you want to try number 4, or I can go with Guadalupe? I understand you weren't here, so we'll just go with Guadalupe. Why was fire important for early humans?
Fire important for early humans?
Very good.
The fire was important because it was useful for warmth and the cooking food.
Very good. The only thing, everything was perfect. Yes, the only thing is you don't need the
Yes.
fire.
It's not that.
No the.
Everything else was perfect. Very good effort.
Let me see. Fire was important because it was useful for, okay, warmth
Oh, and I didn't see that one.
and cooking food. So please read again, Guadalupe.
Why was fire important for early humans? Fire was important because it was useful for warmth and cooking food.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very good answer. Nice.
Lena, do you want me to read it? Or do you want to try to read it in English?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
Number 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How were Stone Age people different from the people of Mesopotamia? The difference between Stone Age people and Mesopotamian people were the first ones used simple tools and hunted to survive, and the Mesopotamian people were the people who made laws, built cities, and they was the first civilization on the world.
Okay, that's an excellent answer. Can I see it real
Yes.
quickly?
You want to make some?
Yes.
It's a big answer.
Yeah, it is. Just a few small things there.
Was. Oh, wait. For difference between Stone Age people and Mesopotamian people. Was.
Okay, so after was, we need that. So just put was that. Put that under was.
Was that
The
the first ones
ones, put S,
used simple tools and hunted to survive,
comma,
comma, and Mesopotamia
Mesopotamians.
were the people who made laws, built cities.
Okay, there's an S on made.
Made laws, built cities, and
Made laws, comma,
comma,
built cities, comma.
and they were
Mm-hmm.
the first civilization in the world.
Nice, good job, E.
Do you mind reading?
Please, yes.
the correction?
Lena, that's great.
Yes, that's a good answer. That was a complex.
That was a very complex, yeah, and you answered it well. It asks you to talk about the difference, and you did. So please read with the corrections.
The difference between Stone Age people and Mesopotamian people was the first ones used simple tools that and hunted.
Used simple tools.
Simple tools that.
No. Was that the? So Mesopotamian and Mesopotamian people was that the first ones.
I got it. Okay. So I'll read it again.
Yeah.
The difference between Stone Age people and Mesopotamian people was that the first ones used simple tools and hunted to survive, and Mesopotamians were the people who made laws, built cities, and they were the first civilization in the world.
Oh, that's freaking awesome. That was a home run. That's boom, out of the park. Salió del parque la pelota, se fue. Wow, eso es pasarse. Good.
I'm confused.
Okay.
Between when can I use make?
Yeah.
And when can I use made?
Make is present,
And
made is past. Yes. Yes. And Ian, you did a great job with the corrections. Thank you for that. Okay, so guys, I want you to listen to Ian's answers. Okay, so Ian, what was the Stone Age like?
The Stone Age was a time when there were no cities, writing, or machines.
A time cuando, there were no cities, writing, or machines. This is a great opportunity to talk about something. Guys, please remember the word there plus the verb be equals hay o existe. Hay documentos sobre la mesa. There are documents on the table. Para decir hay, se dice there y el verbo ser o estar. Entonces, por ejemplo, si quiero decir hay 4 marcadores dentro de mi bolsillo, there are 4 markers in my pocket. Hay o existe. Ahora, en singular es there is. En plural, there are. Y lógicamente, logically, how can I say hubo o había? Yeah. There was. There were. Hubo o había. Solo pongo el verbo ser estar en pasado. Y ya no es hay, es hubo o había. So, Ian, please read slowly. Please read your answer again. Listen.
The Stone Age was a time when there were no cities,
There were
there were
no cities,
writing or
writing, or machines.
machines.
No hubo ciudades, escritura, ni máquinas. Yes. Okay. Question, Lena.
We can put different answers. Is
Yes.
that okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Of course,
okay.
this is your opinion.
Okay.
Yes. You can write whatever. Guadalupe, what did you write in this one? In number 1?
The Stone Age was a time without cities, writing, or much.
So both similar, very similar ideas with different grammar, but the same concept. Yeah, okay. So Ian, let's go with number 4, please. Why was fire, the pronunciation is fire. Why was fire important for early humans?
Fire was important because it kept people in the Stone Age warm and allowed them to cook their food and gave them light at night.
It kept them warm. It helped them cook their food, and it created light at night. You can see. Imagine the period before fire. Lions and tigers, they see humans like food without fire. Fire separated humans from the other animals in the world. Do you understand? Fire is very, very important. Okay, so Ian, great. Number 5, please, Ian. How were Stone Age people different from the people of Mesopotamia?
Okay, I wrote a little bit too much.
It's all right.
Stone Age people were different from the people of Mesopotamia because they were primitive, had no cities, writing, or machines, and used simple tools, made fire, and hunted to eat. The people of Mesopotamia learned to work together to grow food, build cities, invented writing, and made laws. This led to one of the world's first civilizations.
Yes. Okay, very good. Ian, fantastic. Thank you. Okay. No.
Lo último era, ¿cuál es el que dijeron que
Hubo is there were.
Me lo habían dicho el último. Tuvo, no me recuerdo.
Ahorita?
Sí.
Say the last part.
The people of Mesopotamia learned to work together to grow food, build cities, invented writing, and made laws. This led. Yeah, I used were when I said Stone Age people were different from people.
Stone Age people were. Yes. So were, si solo vemos were y was, sin el there, es el pasado de ser o estar. Entonces, si yo digo estoy o soy, Eso es ahorita en el presente. Estoy en la clase. Hace una hora estaba en la casa. Am, the present. I am in class. 1 hour ago, I was at home. Was es el pasado de is o am. Entonces, él dijo, la gente del Stone Age eran. Were es eran. O estaban. En este caso, eran. Yeah. Thank you, Ian. All right. So, guys, we have just a video here. So please watch the video.
The story of writing, astronomy, and law. The story of civilization itself begins in one place. Not Egypt, not Greece, not Rome, but Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is an exceedingly fertile plain situated between the Tigris and the Euphrates rivers. For 5 millennia, this small strip of land situated in what is today Iraq, Kuwait, and Syria fostered innovations that would change the world forever. Inhabited for nearly 12,000 years, Mesopotamia's stable climate, rich soil, and steady supply of fresh water made it ideal for agriculture to develop and thrive. About 6,000 years ago, seemingly overnight, some of these agricultural settlements blossomed into some of the world's first cities.
Hi, Abby. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué pasa?
At one point, they were unified under the Akkadian Empire and then broke apart, forming the empires of Assyria and Babylon.
Ian, come over this way.
Despite their constant warfare, innovation and development thrived in ancient Mesopotamia. They built on a monumental scale, from palaces to ziggurats. Mammoth temples served as ritual locations to commune with the gods. They also developed advanced mathematics, including a base 60 system that created a 60-second minute, a 60-minute hour, and a 360-degree circular angle. The Babylonians used their sophisticated system of mathematics to map and study the sky. They divided one Earth year into 12 periods. Each was named after the most prominent constellations in the heavens, a tradition later adopted by the Greeks to create the zodiac. They also divided the week into 7 days, naming each after their 7 gods, embodied by the 7 observable planets in the sky. But perhaps the most impactful innovation to come out of Mesopotamia is literacy. What began as simple pictures scrawled onto wet clay to keep track of goods and wealth developed into a sophisticated writing system by the year 3200 BC. This writing system would come to be called cuneiform in modern times and proved so flexible that, over the span of 3,000 years, it would be adapted for over a dozen different major languages and countless uses, including recording the law of the Babylonian king Hammurabi, which formed the basis of a standardized justice system. But Mesopotamia's success became its undoing. Babylon, in particular, proved too rich a state to resist outside envy. In 539 BC, the Persian king Cyrus conquered Babylon and sealed his control over the entirety of Mesopotamia. For centuries, this area became a territory of foreign empires. Eventually, Mesopotamia would fade, like its kings, into the mist of history, and its cities would sink beneath the sands of Iraq. But its ideas would prevail in literacy, law, math, astronomy, and the gift of civilization itself.
Okay, so Saimara, what did you understand from that video?
I understand all. In the video explain all the life of Mesopotamia.
Yeah?
And Mesopotamia was there, the big earth, because have right astronomy, the star, born
And what?
cultivo.
Uh,
I don't remember how to say it.
agriculture?
Ajá.
Agriculture, yeah.
Ajá.
Oh yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. So they talked in the video mentioned the number 60. Why is this important?
Because they invent 60 seconds, 60 minutes to be an hour. Like,
Yes.
you know, the time.
And 7 days per week. Imagine before Mesopotamia, before Mesopotamia, 1 hour didn't exist. If I said, David, what time is it in this period? I don't know. There is no time. There is no hour. There is no Monday, no Tuesday, no Wednesday. So Mesopotamians created the concept of time. We understand this concept of time. It's very interesting. What else did Mesopotamians create?
Zodiac.
The Greeks created the zodiac using so the Mesopotamians created the days of the week. What were the names of those days? They created names, nombres, names for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How did they create the names?
They're gods.
They're gods. And the gods were based on constellations. So Monday was a specific constellation and a specific god. And Tuesday, a different constellation. Lena, why do you think Mesopotamians studied the stars? Why? I mean, who cares? Why did they study the stars?
No, I understand what you say, but I don't know, maybe because they want to find the reason why there are these light are in the sky.
That's exactly right. Yes. Imagine that you live thousands of years ago and you don't understand these lights. You look and I say, Ian, what is that? What are those? And you understand, oh, the sun is one of these stars. And we live on a planet. It's incredible. They understood that they existed on a planet and that the stars were distant celestial objects. Do you understand? Saimada, do you understand?
They were looking
Abby, do you understand? Yeah? What was
They
it?
were looking for wisdom from the stars because it was something that was much bigger than them.
But it's the same like when we are babies, right? Because
Yeah.
we don't know why the stars are the sky. And
Yeah.
before and after, when we go to the school, we understand.
That's right. Well, when you study the stars, you understand that the universe exists. When you don't look at the stars, when you only look at trees and the objects here, you don't understand we live in a universe, a massive universe. When you look at the stars, you understand, oh, this planet is very small and there are many objects. David, ¿qué estás entendiendo? Yo sé que es poco, pero ¿qué estás entendiendo más o menos?
Del universo.
¿Ya?
Las estrellas que estudió
¿Los de Mesopotamia?
Ajá.
Ajá.
Que estudiaron las estrellas.
Sí, 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 estudiaron. ¿Y por qué? Estudiaron, no por qué, pero les hizo entender que eran parte de un universo, que no solo eran yo en mi pedacito de tierra, en la selva, en el medio de la nada. No, ya comprendo que, qué bestia, es una tremenda cosa que ya provoca otras preguntas como, ¿qué somos? ¿Para qué estamos aquí? ¿Qué es este planeta? ¿Qué hay debajo de mí? Si escavo, ¿qué encuentro? Muchas preguntas. Many questions. So Mesopotamia was an important moment in human history. Remember, the Ice Age was 10,000 years ago. Mesopotamia was here 5,000 years ago. The Aztecs and the Maya also studied the stars, but the Aztecs and the Maya were here. The Mesopotamians did it here. Whoa. So thousands of years before the Maya.
They know each other.
Probably. Yeah, well, yeah, it's very possible. That's a theory. That's a theory.
Yeah.
Okay, so
The same but different.
You learn about the stars.
do you have any questions? Do you have questions about this? Mm-hmm.
About this or about the video?
About the video?
Because they say something about tooth by tooth. They make.
Yes.
But I can understand.
Yes. So before Mesopotamia, in the Ice Age or the Stone Age, remember, Ice Age, then the Stone Age, then Mesopotamia. During the Stone Age, before civilization, civilization did not exist. Si una persona me ofendió, if Ian offended me, I kill his whole family.
It's like they say in Spanish, ojo por ojo y diente por diente.
Yes.
That's the mean.
Yes.
That's the same.
Que crearon leyes que solo porque me ofendes no puedo matar a toda tu familia. Justicia. El concepto de justicia. Antes de Mesopotamia, si me miras mal, acabo con toda tu familia. Les borro de la tierra. Porque no hay juez, no hay policía, y yo tengo la espada y tú no. Exacto. So, very important, guys. Another question? No? But it's interesting. Do you think it's interesting? Yes, it is. It's very interesting. Abby, so what is the most interesting aspect for you about Mesopotamia or the Stone Age?
I think
Age, and these people, and they have so many questions, and why this, why, why, and these questions, um, they study math, astronomy, and other things.
Yeah. Yeah, they were curious. The people of Mesopotamia were curious. Think about a chair. Think about a chair. This object. A chair. Before civilization, where did people sit? Where do you sit? On the ground. Ow, that hurts. Chairs, a chair, this object, this is engineering. Ingeniería produce un objeto así. Guys, this substance is a tree, un árbol. To make a chair, you need curiosity, imagination, and you think, how can I resolve this problem with the things around me? A tree. I have a tree. I can use a tree, un árbol, to make a chair or a table or many objects. That's the creativity and the imagination and the curiosity of Mesopotamians. Yes.
And they didn't have religion.
They did. They did. Mesopotamians were polytheistic. Polytheistic. More than one God. Multiple gods. I am monotheistic. I believe in one God, the Creator. The Mesopotamians did not. Yeah. Question?
I just had.
Please.
After they solved agriculture and irrigation, they had time to be curious.
Yes, that's such an important. Okay, so say it again a little bit more slowly. Listen to this.
After they resolved the problem of how to feed a lot of people with agriculture, then they had time to think and be curious.
Yes. Do you understand what he's saying? Okay. Okay, so in the Ice Age, or after the Ice Age, the Stone Age, humans needed to hunt animals. Okay? They did not have time to think, the stars. They didn't have time because life was dangerous and difficult. Large animals like tigers wanted to eat you. And you didn't have metal. You didn't have a metal weapon. You had stones, piedras nomás. David, ¿cómo te sientes defendiendo contra un tigre si te doy una bolsa de piedras?
Desarmado, así.
Yeah. Imagínate.
Yo necesitaría una.
Entonces, Ian dice que hasta que pudieron resolver el problema de la alimentación con la agricultura, los seres humanos no tuvieron la oportunidad ni el tiempo de ser curioso y creativo, imaginativo. No pudieron. Porque cuando hay tigres persiguiéndote...
Pero para hacerle una pregunta,
Ya.
¿de qué parte de la era del hielo ellos descubrieron de la parte de que era pintar? Porque yo he visto documentales donde en la era del hielo, en las cavernas, existían dibujos de los animales de aquel entonces.
Yes. Ellos tenían fuego y herramientas de piedra. Y crearon tintas y pinturas de plantas y diferentes cosas. Y sí, pintaban en el Ice Age. En el Ice Age, las personas que vivían en el Ice Age eran Stone Age. Stone Age se refiere a el desarrollo tecnológico. El término Stone Age se refiere a el desarrollo tecnológico de las personas en ese tiempo. Ice Age es un término climático. Ice Age se refiere de cuando hubo hielo por todo el norte del mundo. Entonces son dos términos que ocurren al mismo tiempo, pero son cosas distintas. But yes, sí. Uh-huh. Okay, any other questions? No? Okay. So guys, okay. So please look at your Mesopotamia. This one, Mesopotamia, the first civilization. No, this one. Mesopotamia, the first civilization. Esta no hemos visto todavía, ¿no? Oh, yeah, okay. Here we go. Sorry. There we go. En un ratito vamos a ver los que les di. And Ian, are you, oh, we got 5 minutes still. Okay. David, Abby. Okay. So, Abby, please read today's message.
Big changes. They
Begin
began with simple ideas. The people of ancient Mesopotamia learned to grow food, build cities, thrive, and grow together.
and work together.
Their ideas helped change the world. Today, we still use many of their ideas. Learning about the past helps us understand the present.
Okay. So, do you understand this? No? Okay. Guadalupe, please translate it.
Grandes cambios.
Mm-hmm.
Begin, no me recuerdo.
Empiezan. Begin, empezar.
Grandes cambios empiezan con simples ideas.
Las personas
Las personas
de
ascendente
antiguo más
antiguas de la antigua, las personas de antigua Mesopotamia
aprendieron
no sé qué es
grow es cultivar,
comida,
construir,
build,
construir,
a construir ciudades,
write, escribir
en trabajo
y trabajar.
Juntos.
Yes. Sus
Ideas ayudaron a cambiar, no sé qué es the world,
el mundo.
el mundo de hoy.
No, punto. Ahí se acaba esa idea. Hoy en día, we, ¿qué es we? Nosotros. Abby, what is still? Aún. Thank you.
Nosotros aún usamos
Ajá. Muchas de sus ideas. Aprender
me dice que es about,
sobre
aprender sobre
el pasado.
sobre el pasado ayuda a entender el presente.
Yes. Si no entendemos por qué fracasaron los de Mesopotamia, siendo tan inteligente, ¿cómo fracasaron? Si no entendemos por qué los romanos fracasaron, vamos a volver a repetir lo mismo.
Vamos a volver a fracasar.
Y si no entendemos por qué el destino, ¿qué nos espera? El fracaso. Entonces, por eso se estudia la historia. Okay. Okay, guys. David, please read the first vocabulary word.
River,
Yes.
layer,
Large.
large,
Stream.
streams of water.
Yes. And what is stream, Lena?
Extremo es
Stream es como un chorro grande de agua. Okay, the example, David? The example? El ejemplo?
The river
Gives.
gives people water.
Nice job. David, the next one, please. Farmer.
Farmer, a person
Who?
who
Yeah.
grows food.
Nice job. The example?
The farmers grow
Wheat.
wheat.
Yes. Abby, what is wheat? Okay. Anyone?
como cereal integral.
Trigo.
Trigo, ajá.
Trigo, yes. Okay. David, the next word, please.
Crop.
Plants?
Plants. The people
Yeah.
grow for food.
Excellent. The example, David.
Wheat
Yep.
is an important crop.
Great. The next word, David.
Wheat
City.
of city. Place where many
Many.
people live.
Excellent. The example, please. Uruk.
Uru was famous city.
Excellent. Thank you, Anya. Great. David, continue. Fantastic. Temple.
Usually
Building.
for
Worship.
worship.
Lena, what is worship? Anyone? Saimara? Guadalupe?
Es el horario.
No. Worship is alabanza. Yes, un templo es un edificio para la alabanza.
Perdón, ¿y qué es gifts? En la primera, guides o gifts.
Give es dar. Ujú. Por eso vemos vocabulario, chicos, para que ustedes van creciendo las palabras que entienden. Okay. Please continue, David.
Greek
The example.
people went to the temple.
Fantastic. Temple. Good job, David. David, the next one, please.
Right?
Right.
Right. The
To.
make words or symbols. People learn to write.
Thank you, David. Please continue. Clay.
Clay. Tablet.
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 Mm-hmm.
flat
Piece.
piece of clay for
Writing.
writing.
Yes. Okay. Who can tell me what clay is? What is clay? Barro. Barro, la sustancia barro.
Entonces, ¿qué sería tablet?
Una tableta de barro. Y ahí escribían su idioma, sus palabras y ideas. Okay, David, please continue.
They wrote
Yeah.
yeah,
They wrote.
on clay tablets.
Nice. David, please continue. Cuneiform.
Cuneiform,
Cuneiform.
the first
Writing.
writing system.
Good job. Cuneiform. The example?
Cuneiform was an early writing system.
Excellent. David, very good. Please continue.
Well,
Wheel.
will,
Llanta.
will.
Él dice, esa sí anoto. Me gustan las llantas que brillan. Ya sé, eres hombre, ya sabemos.
Around,
Claro, así somos los hombres. Nos gusta lo brillante. Sorry, David. Please continue.
around,
Around.
around, object,
Object.
at
That.
that helps things moving,
Move.
move.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Okay, David, the example?
That will
Helped.
help people move things.
Excellent. David, the last one. The last one. La última.
Trade
Trade.
to
Buy.
buy and
Sell.
sell
Yep, sell.
things. People trade with our cities.
Yes. Excellent. Okay, guys. Very good. David, please, let's give David a... Yeah. Very nice. Good pronunciation, David. Okay, guys, the homework is the reading and comprehension questions. Vamos a ver si comprenden. El deber es la lectura y los 5 preguntas que siguen. Por favor, utilicen su creatividad. Ok. Todo menos eso. Okay. So guys, please look at your clause study guide. Please look at your clause study guide. Not the fanboys. Esta creo que es de Abby. Ajá. Yes, this one here.
Just to clarify the reading frame. That's the
Yeah. Mm-hmm. No problem. Okay. So, en el pasado, en clases anteriores, hemos hablado de esta palabra, el famoso clause. ¿Cómo? Sí. Ya mismo, no, hoy no. Pero ya mismo acabamos nuestro primer módulo. Con esta información que les di hoy, terminamos nuestro primer módulo. Vamos a hoy y mañana trabajar en estas cosas. La siguiente semana sí tenemos examen. Y el examen va a ser sobre los temas gramaticales que hemos visto, el verbo ser o estar, el clause, y lo que vamos a ver hoy. Y todo también va a ser sobre Mesopotamia. Entonces, preguntitas sobre Mesopotamia utilizando la gramática que hemos visto. ¿Ya? Tranquilos. El David igual. Ah, no me digas eso.
Que le traigan una herramienta de las de antes para así.
Okay, chicos, please. So, clauses. Okay. Por favor, recuerdan, this is the most important thing. The most important thing in English. Clauses. Okay, remember, we know a clause. Remember, what is a clause? A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. Okay, we have independent clauses and dependent clauses. You remember. Please look. Independent clause is a complete idea, a complete sentence. It has a subject, a verb, it is a complete idea. Examples, I am happy. She studies English. We live in Indiana. They are at work. Ellos están en el trabajo. This is an independent clause. Look at dependent clause. A dependent clause is not a complete sentence. It is not a complete idea. It has a subject and a verb, but it needs an independent clause to complete the idea. Examples, because I am tired. Porque tengo sueño, estoy cansado. No es completo esa idea. Falta más información. Cuando empieza la clase, when the class starts. Es incompleto esa idea, no entiendo nada. Si hay sujeto, si hay verbo, pero no es una idea completa, requiere más información. If it rains, si llueva o si llueve. Although she is busy, aunque ella está ocupada. A dependent clause cannot stand alone. Un clause dependiente, una idea dependiente no puede existir solito. Requiere más información. Solo eso tienen que recordar. Recuerda que los conjunctions son las palabras que unen a las ideas o clauses. Okay? Look at the common conjunctions. Because, ¿por qué? If, si. When, cuando. Y por favor, si ustedes no conocen, anoten lo que significan en inglés o en español. Because es por qué. If, si. When, cuando. After, después que. Before, antes que. While, mientras que. Although, aunque. Since, desde que. Until, hasta que. Unless, a menos que. Ejemplos. Sí conocen el famoso Romeo Santos. Ok. Este es el canción favorito de Ian. Pero él no quiere que les cuente. Ok. Miran los clauses dependiente. El sí. Oh. Te está haciendo propuestas. ¿Y si me acerco a tu boca? Si hago esto, y si hago esto, ¿no te vas a poner mal? ¿No me vas a gritar y pegar? Si me porto mal. Esos son clauses dependientes, propuestas. El if. If I kiss you, if I whisper in your ear, if I touch your skin, propuestas indecentes. ¿Sí? Ya entienden por qué le encanta ahí en esta canción. Muy bien, excelente. Entonces, usamos clauses dependientes constantemente en nuestro día a día. Decimos por qué, aunque, a menos que, sí, a cada rato. Entonces, por ejemplo, si digo, ¿te vas al parque? Me voy al parque si no llueve. I will go to the park if it doesn't rain. Dos clauses, una idea completa. ¿Ok? Conjunctions, muy importante. Okay, guys, look at the complete sentences. Dependent clause plus independent clause. Because I was tired, I went to bed. Independent clause plus dependent clause. I went to bed because I was tired. Both sentences are correct. Solo cambio el orden de los clauses. Puedo poner el independiente o el dependiente. Pero si empiezo con el dependiente, necesito una coma antes de que viene el clause independiente. Por favor, fíjense en eso. ¿Ya? Okay, let's go to fanboys. Today we learn fanboys. Hoy aprendemos fanboys. What are fanboys? ¿Qué son los fanboys? Abby, you know the fanboys. Okay, so Abby, could you please come here? And we're going to see some examples. Abby is very good with fanboys. Okay. So Abby, grab a marker and please write a sentence about Mesopotamia using for. Yes. No, remember the fanboy for means because. Yes. The fanboy for. Do you want me to give you an example and you do the next one? I'll do the first one? Okay. So, fanboys are conjunctions. They connect ideas. For is because. So, okay. So, here we have For. This is a clause. Subject, verb. Subject, verb. For connects these ideas. David, please read the sentence.
Mesopotamia
Invented, invented, writing,
or
they
they
needed
needed to record
their
their trade.
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 Okay, so Abby, can you translate that?
Los mesopotamios inventaron la escritura
¿Por qué
porque ellos necesitaban llevar
un registro, un récord
no recuerdo qué
de su comercio? Claro, de sus... el Ian me dio 2 pollos, yo le tengo que entregar, claro, se intercambiaban cosas, entonces tenían que anotar. Y no vas a recordar todo. Okay, so Abby, can you use and? Can you write an idea about Mesopotamia using and? These are connectors. They connect ideas and clauses.
So that we use like what are you looking for is the same.
No.
That's different.
For has 2 meanings. It can mean por qué, like a conjunction, or para. If I say this marker is for Ian, este marcador es para Ian. For puede significar para o por qué. Cuando lo uso para unir 2 ideas y pongo con coma, es por qué. Cuando simplemente pongo para mí, para la mesa, para la clase, y no lleva coma, significa para. No significa por qué. Okay. So, is this correct? Here we have a subject. Here we have a verb. Here we have a fanboy. Here we have a subject. No verb. Not a clause. Abby, I need a clause here, please. So talk about Mesopotamians and just put and they. Yeah? Yeah.
¿Otra vez?
Yeah, you can use study. You can use study again, no problem. Or you can say investigate.
¿Así?
In the past. Yes. Yeah, yeah, the stars. That's exactly right. Okay, now,
¿Así?
no T. Yeah.
No, es
Okay, thank you, Abby. You may sit. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, look. So, Mesopotamians, the subject, studied math and they investigated the stars. 2 clauses. 2 ideas que estoy uniendo con y, coma y. Miran, el F es para for, la A es para and, La N es para nor, ni tampoco. Nor significa ni tampoco. Perdón, but es pero. Or es o. Yet significa pero aún. Y so es así que o entonces. Así que o entonces.
¿Para qué dijo en?
And is e. Todas estas palabras me sirven para unir ideas, pero no vamos a cometer el error de no llevar a cabo este clause. Tiene que ser 2 clauses a cada lado del fanboy, del conjunction. Sujeto, verbo, sujeto, verbo. ¿Listo? Now, look at nor. Look at nor. Nor has a special structure. Nor is different. Guys, watch. Nor. This is special. Nor structure. Here we go. No. Sorry. Let's do this. Sorry. Guadalupe, please read.
I am not from Spain,
Nor am I.
am I from Brazil.
Yes.
Yo no soy de
España.
España, ni tampoco de Brasil.
Ni tampoco soy.
Tampoco soy de Brasil.
Ni tampoco soy de Brasil. Okay, nor is to connect 2 negative ideas. 2 ideas negativas se conecta con nor. Look, aquí está el not. El primer clause, ahí está el sujeto y el verbo, subject verb. El primer clause tiene que estar en negative. Pero mira, después del nor, no está en estructura negativa. Abby, what is the structure after nor?
And you cannot put negative.
What is correct? What is this structure? What is this right here? This is question structure. Yes. Look, the second clause, you put the verb and then the subject. This is a question structure. Para preguntar, ¿eres de Cuba? Digo, ¿are you from Cuba? No empiezo con tú eres, you are. No digo, you are from Cuba? No. Are you from Cuba? Para formar la pregunta, le doy la vuelta al verbo cero estar con el sujeto y se vuelve pregunta. Si digo, are you from Mexico? Yes, I am from Mexico. ¿Ya? Entonces la pregunta solo tengo que ponerle al cero estar primero antes del sujeto.
It's gonna be just for nor. That's the only one.
Only nor. Only nor has this structure. And only the second clause. Ok, chicos, rapidito en sus cuadernos para acabar. O aquí mismo. escriben una oración sobre ti usando nor. Tiene que ser dos ideas negativos. Puedes decir, yo no soy alto ni tampoco tengo cabello bello. Porque mira, no tengo. No tengo cabello.
Bastante, yo me acuerdo.
Una idea usando nor sobre ti. Y el verbo ser o estar.
Como está ahí, así como está ahí.
Ujú.
Esa oración.
Sí. Chicos, voy a usar el bañito rapidito. Por favor, si pueden más que uno, desarrolla dos si puedes.
¿Y ya me puedes decir cómo se escribe quiero?
In English,
Ajá.
want.
One.
I want. Yeah. Are you using it in the second clause?
No.
Read me the sentence you have so far.
I am not. ¿Cómo dijiste que? When? One.
I am not. Is that the beginning of your sentence? It's the beginning. I am not. I do not. I do not want.
I.
Do not.
Okay,
Yo no quiero. Is that what you read?
I.
It needs that. O quieres.
No. Yo no quiero.
Okay, I do not want.
Do not want.
To. What do you not want to do?
¿Como comida?
Do
Yo
not
no
want
quiero.
to eat.
I do not want.
To eat. Okay.
Here I can write, I am not small, nor I am tall.
Nor am I tall. The question structure. So the first part's okay.
Nor I am a tall.
No, nor am I. Am
I tall?
Nor am I tall. What's the beginning of your sentence again? The beginning of your sentence. Can you read the whole thing again?
I am not small,
Uh-huh.
nor am I tall.
Perfect. Yeah.
Thank you.
Perdón, ya tengo.
I have. So give me your.
Okay, yo no tengo.
I do not have.
I
Do
not
have.
Are we finished?
You don't need to.
Okay.
No, la llave. Sopa.
Soup.
Soup.
Okay. That makes sense.
Ah, perdón.
Or
¿Sí? Okay. Bueno, ahorita vamos a ver. Okay, so Saimara, please read your sentences.
I am not small, nor I am tall.
Nor am I.
Tall.
Yes. Excuse me. Sorry. Great. Great. So, repeat one more time.
I am not small, nor am I tall.
Good. No soy pequeña ni soy alta. Okay? You're tall. For a woman, you're tall. You don't think?
Bueno,
I think you're taller than average. Más alto que el promedio.
¿cómo se dice presumir en inglés?
Show off. Show off.
Ya me quitaron el habla.
Pero
Okay.
sé que en comparación con mi familia, yo soy bajita.
Oh, wow. Entonces son altos, altos. Claro, claro. Bueno, yo considero que eres alto. Sí, yo creo.
Consideramos que te vemos así.
yo soy el más corto de mi familia.
Otro presumido.
Another show off. Another show off. Okay, so Guadalupe, please.
Okay. I do not want to soup, nor do you want spaghetti. Do
No.
I want spaghetti?
So, okay, so we need to say, I.
Do not.
Okay, no estás usando el verbo ser o estar. Está bien. Estás usando otra cosa. Está bien, pero por eso es distinto a los. Okay, you're saying, I do not want soup, nor do I want sketty. Sketty es como dicen los niños pequeños. Dicen sketty, así, pero para no escribirlo tanto, pues sketty. Okay, ¿así escribiste? Yes, this is correct. I do not want soup, no quiero sopa, ni tampoco quiero espagueti. Es bien exigente Guadalupe, ¿no? Esto no, esto tampoco. Ni esa ni esta de allá.
Así mismo dice. Así mismo.
Okay, Lena, please.
Por metiche.
What is it?
¿Cómo se dice metiche en
No sé qué es eso.
¿Metida?
O metida. Nosy.
Nosy.
Nosy. Yeah.
Bueno, déjenme hablar. I am not fast to run, nor am I fast to walk.
Okay, so you can say, I am not a fast runner. I am not a fast runner,
Runner?
Mhm.
Okay.
nor am I a fast walker. Walker, yes.
Ay,
Okay.
no, pues esta sí me está costando trabajo.
A little bit, yeah?
Sí, porque como que hasta pronunciarla me está costando.
Pero de eso se trata, chicos. Pero estamos avanzando.
Sí.
Ustedes están entendiendo que estamos uniendo dos cosas.
Si usted no dice que estamos avanzando, que así sea.
No, sí estamos, sí estamos.
That's an archaic structure that is sometimes very rarely used. I am
Well, it's
not
formal.
fast to walk. Yeah.
Ah, I am not fast to walk. That structure?
Or am I fast
Oh
to
yeah.
run?
Well, it's yeah. So it's better like this.
Yes, it's better.
Yeah. Okay, so David, do you have another sentence, Lena?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it.
I don't like to watch TV, nor do I like to watch my phone.
Nice. Okay, very good.
Ay, yo tengo otra oración aquí que yo hice, pero yo quiero saber si está bien.
Please.
She isn't from Cuba, nor am I from Mexico.
That's perfect. That's very good, Saimara. Very nice. Show off. Okay, David.
I am not like the hot.
I am not. Yo no soy.
No. No,
No,
no.
sí,
No,
tía.
¿qué quiere decir?
Not is no. Yo no.
I am
Porque no nos dejan
not
avanzar.
like.
What is the last word? La última palabra.
¿Tú quieres decir no me gusta el calor?
No me gusta el calor.
Oh.
Ni
I'm
tampoco
not
el
Ya.
frío.
Pero David, no nos sirve el verbo ser o estar para decir no me gusta. El verbo ser o estar es soy o estoy. Y no estás usando eso en tu idea. Tú estás diciendo no me gusta. Entonces, eso es I do not like. Aún no aprendemos del do. No hemos llegado al do todavía. Vamos por allá. Ajá. Ajá. I do not like el calor. I do not like heat.
Así escribe.
I do not like heat. No me gusta el calor ni tampoco qué. Okay. Nor do I like the cold. And here, the heat. The heat. I do not like the heat, nor do I like the cold. No me gusta el calor ni tampoco. ¿Y David, entonces qué? Ay, muy frío, muy caliente, muy frío. Muy... Entonces, ¿qué?
Yo creo que él se ha de dormir tapado de la cintura para arriba.
¡De ley! Una pierna destapada, la otra tapada. Mira, así es mi papá. Vas a la casa de mi papá, él vive en Texas. Tiene en el invierno, tiene el calefacción prendido y el ventilador a full. Y dices, ¿pero cómo? ¿Queremos estar caliente o frío? Decídete. No. Ya entendí lo que quiere mi papá. Le gusta que sus piernas y la parte de abajo estén calientitos debajo de la cobija y le gusta sentir la brisa de la playa mientras que ve televisión. Y por eso él quiere crear una cosa que, bueno,
Solamente él sabe.
sí. Entonces entras y tu cuerpo no sabe lo que está pasando. No sabes si estás frío, con calor o frío, o las dos. Entonces, David, ojo, parece que eres con mi papá.
Para hacerle una pregunta,
Ajá.
en esa oración, a ver, no en esa oración, pero ¿cuándo yo puedo usar hot?
Heat, calor. Hot es caliente. Eso es un adjetivo. Heat es un noun. Por eso aprendimos en nuestras primeras 2 semanas las funciones de las palabras. Porque un noun como el calor, yo no puedo poner hot, porque ahí voy a decir el caliente. Y ahí estamos hablando del David. Exacto. ¿A qué hemos llegado?
Consentido.
No, but it has a different meaning.
Oh, really?
Él no entiende el significado. Yo viví en Latinoamérica, entonces yo entiendo mucho doble sentido. But when you say someone's hot, that means they're, they're hot.
Okay. I thought that's what he meant, but
Ian says ditto. Ditto significa yo también. Entonces, si yo digo, tengo hambre, y Saimare dice, ditto, es yo también. Ajá. So, very good, guys. Fantastic. So, Abby, could you read your sentence, please? Or sentences?
I do not like coffee, nor do I like.
Nice. No coffee, no beer. I love coffee. I don't like beer. Okay. Do you have another one? Okay, perfect. Ok, entonces chicos, para completar, para finalizar, aún vamos a ver más mañana para completar este tema, ¿no? Pero veamos una oración más con nor, pero esta vez con el verbo ser o estar en pasado en vez de presente. Mesopotamia was not in Europe, nor was it in Africa. David, translate.
Mesopotamia. No estaba en Europa.
Ni tampoco. Uh-huh.
Estaba en África.
Y Guadalupe dice que no hay avance. No, que no estamos avanzando, no. Ahí está. El David acaba de traducir con nor en pasado con el verbo ser o estar. No me diga que eso no es un avance. Bravo, David. Bravo, David. Ok, chicos. Entonces, con eso concluimos la clase de hoy. ¿Ya? Entonces, muchas gracias.